May lakad tayo ngayon. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. May lakad tayo ngayon. Related sa konting negosyo, kaya nakabihis ako. Ayan, nakabis ng konti. Kasama namin yung aking bayaw. Dahil siya ay magtitingin din ng display. Ayan. Parang puti naman ang mukha ko. Ganda ng outcome ng ano. Huh? Ang ganda ng outcome ng aking camera ngayon. Huh? Huh? Hindi ito ang ganda ko eh. Diyos ko, yung buhok ko na naman. At yung ganda ng lipstick ko. Ito ang gusto ko kapag naglalagay ako ng cream sa mukha. Ang ganda ng We are going to see a display house. Which one that? These two houses?
See it's not very wide. It's almost same like our house.
Yes.
But inside here, so they make the driveway
Yes.
on the Shelton and Gala.
Okay.
It's not.
No.
Shelton work differently.
Yeah, why like that?
It's okay. We know now, and you see, these are all. I know a little what to do. Beauty is if it's here,
Yeah.
you pay only 3,000.
Yeah.
If the electric pole is there, you pay 8,000. So you know all these things, what needs to be done. I'm just
It's
waiting
nice
5
vacation
minutes,
this one because
Yeah, I know. Bulbul is coming.
yeah, it's close to the convenient places. Yan po, boutique apartment. Titinan namin yung display house nila para mayroon kaming idea what type of house are we going to build for the investment. Yan.
The facade can be
Yan. Yeah, andito kami sa East Bentley. Yeah, titinan namin tong display house. We are not going to buy this house, guys. We are going for negotiate. Stairs. Hallway. Okay. So this is the first bedroom. Let's take a look there. Living room and kitchen. Very cozy. Yeah. It's very simple. Beauty as in. Ayan. So what happened is we are planning to have our investment once we get a house to knock and rebuild, because we are not planning to knock and rebuild some of our houses because we have tenants under contract. Oh, I love these lights. Wow, I love this style. I'm going to gaya this one, huh? Look at that. Wow. See how cozy is that? Very nice. And let's take a look what is inside. Okay, it's a freeze. Wow. Okay, so this is their freeze. Oh, that's beautiful. Pero sa next na bahay na titiran namin, pag Maybe after 6 years siguro, pag may awang Diyos, I will turn my house like not white, everything not white. Something. Ayan. Wow, ganda ha. Yan. Nice house. Wow. My brother-in-law is with us. Investor din po siya. Ayan. So ito yung display house na sila ang pwedeng gumawa ng bahay na ipapagawa namin for knock and rebuild para sa markets. Ganda oh. Yeah. Comment ko lang yung stairs. Iibahin ko ito. Ang style kasi it's facing to the entrance door. So, this is their backyard. The backyard is very beautiful. Wow. Ayan. Ang ganda ng kanilang patio. Alfonso. Alfresco. Alfonso restaurant ni ading ko. Alfresco. Ang tawag kasi po dito is, they call alfresco. In short, patio. Patio. Ayan. Oh, I love it. I like the way they landscape. Ayan, ang ganda. Beautiful house. Beautiful house. Look at that. If you can see that. Ganda. Ang ganda ng backyard nila. Ayan. Stairs.
হ্যাঁ এই দুটো তো কমনই থাকবে এইটার আবার
দরজাটা অন্যরকম নাকি কার্পেট তো আমরা এক্সপেন্সিভ করছি ওয়াল সবই আছে তোমাদের যে উইন্ডো ফ্রেমগুলো অন্যরকম এই ফ্রেমগুলো আমাদের এরকম বের হয়ে আসে নাকি আমাদের ডোর ফ্রেমগুলো মোর প্লাস্ট আর কি আর আসবে না আর কিছুটা আছে আমরা তো ধরো কার্টেনগুলো ম্যাক্সিমাম তাই না প্রচুর এফেক্ট ডিজাইন করে যেটা ভালো তুমি যদি বলো যে আই ওয়ান্ট এক্স্যাক্টলি অ্যাজ ইট ইজ তাহলে স্পেসিফিকেশন নিয়ে ঝামেলা হবে তাই না How do you see that?
I like it. Very nice.
একদম এক্স্যাক্টলি
Exactly to your house, right? Yeah.
I've got 2 upstairs and 3 downstairs.
Yeah, I know.
স্লোপটা হেভি
Is that the solar, bro? Is that the solar?
Which one?
That the open one?
Skylight.
Oh, skylight. Ah, I see.
এটা হলো ইয়া
মাস্টার
ও এটাকে কনসিডার মাস্টার তো এটা হলো
এটা হচ্ছে
মাস্টার
এটাকে বলা হয় একটা জুনিয়র মাস্টার
junior master or second master and they didn't put any balcony
No.
this is cold weather that's the reason balcony.
Wow. Wow.
এটা তোমার
Yeah.
ডিজাইন করতে
Because of the staircase.
কিন্তু they don't want you to show everything.
Right.
এটা হচ্ছে তুমি যাবা,
Yeah.
হ্যাঁ, একটা সারপ্রাইজের মতো।
Right.
তুমি এসে
And what is this? I know. You cannot open that. Oh, it's the garage. So nice the garage. The garage, you see?
Yeah. Side by side.
Yeah, so this is the
It's,
second
about 6
second house. Oh, this similar to your house before in East Bentley, right? The
Yeah.
one you sold out.
But that other stairs,
Yes.
that's more expensive.
That one expensive. Yeah.
It's a cheap.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because you see, because of the glass.
Yes.
I can see this side is done
Yeah.
Cheaper. Yeah, that's what I'll do. So it will, not only because of
The two
cheaper,
businessmen
it will-
brother.
Yeah.
Let's see. It looks like the normal stone, not the premium grade.
Garage. I will give you this video, Daddy.
Yeah,
I
you
will
take
do.
it. Just I'm not taking.
দেখো
Yeah.
Upload some
তুমি
photos.
যদি শর্টকাট করতে চাও
Yeah.
ডিফারেন্ট আমার বিল্ডার
Yeah.
বহুত কষ্ট করে এগুলোর জন্য।
So this is the second house next door.
Okay.
Guest room.
ওটাকে finish করে তারপর study করবে।
Kasama ko po yung brother-in-law ko tsaka yung aking bossing. Ayan. Daddy, look at this. Is this a master bedroom or is a guest room?
Yeah, one master bed down.
Oh,
Upstairs is the one.
see?
This is the main
You know what? The style now is there's the style like the lamp that like a hotel style. Now the style is like this.
hanging.
How do you call that
It's a
one,
lot
Daddy?
of way. You know, every display you go, you'll see they do differently. But the concept,
এটা long,
yeah.
double, তারপরে যে wall থেকে এই জিনিসগুলো
Let's go and see here. Ito po ay display lang. Para kung silang maging contractor namin, ganito ang gagawin namin sa negosyong ipapatayo. Ay, pantry. Yeah.
তোমার স্পেসিফিকেশন লিখে দিবে নাকি এইভাবে এইভাবে হ্যাঁ এইটা হলো লেসার দিয়ে দেন দাও
I will give you all the one, Daddy.
Yeah, just take some photo and then
I'm going upstairs na, ha?
আমাদের যে মোবাইল পার্কে তোমার যে জায়গা আছে না ওইটার জন্য কিনা
Akyat tayo doon. Bismillah. Nice house. Bibilangin natin yung oro plata mata nila. Ang ayoko lang dito, nakaharap doon. Yung hagdanan sa pinto. Pero sabi ng asawa ko, wag ko daw pakialaman kasi pang business naman. Ayan. Wow.
অসম্ভব কম্পিটিশন আমরা দুইটা এবার ইয়ে করে অ্যাটেন্ড করে আমি সারপ্রাইজ মনে হয় এখন ওগুলো হবে না ইয়েতে যেতে হবে 5% দিতে হবে এটা শুরু করে এটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফ্যামিলি জানান তো ফ্যামিলি প্লাস স্টাডি ভালো লাগছে বাথরুমগুলো সুন্দর করে করছে
What type of carpet this one?
I think this one is wool.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
No dust.
No
Oh,
dust.
yeah, because ours in the house like
All
Always this one.
same. If it is wool, it's
It's a nice,
our carpet. We upgraded that is category 7 from 1. What else can be done? ওই যে ইয়ে লাগে যে শেডটা, না এটা দেখে এখানে কয়টা বেডরুম এরকম ওপেন গ্লাস
এই মনে হয় দেখা যাচ্ছে না
না,
দেখে
এইখানেই হবে। এইখানে হলে একটা ইয়া রুম কম না, যে ওইখানে এই বেডরুমটা একটা বেডরুম এক্সট্রা।
হ্যাঁ ওই যে বললো না যে
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
So this is like a guest room.
Yeah, no, here 1 bedroom less. 3 plus 1, na?
হ্যাঁ
3 plus
4
1.
plus 1.
One down, one
3 plus
downstairs.
1 ওইটা
হ্যাঁ,
4
হ্যাঁ।
এটা হচ্ছে নিচে
একটা,
একটা
এখানে কি
এর উপরে
দুইটা? দুইটা না তিনটা? এখানে
No,
একটা-
one, two upstairs, one
Oh, yeah,
downstairs.
okay, okay. Plus the living area.
Yes.
Oh no, this one they should have
যখন হাই এন্ডে ইয়েতে যাবো তখন আর এক্সপোজ ব্রিক দেখা যায় এটা হচ্ছে মডার্ন
Right, yeah.
প্লাস্টার ফিনিশ ওগুলো
এই তো তারিখ যতনের কাছে বাড়ি দেখলাম, ওই একদম আনফোর্চুনেট